Peace and blessings, community. Thank you for tuning in for another video here at this red tent in the Yoni Love Herbals community. I want to get all the formalities out of the way before I even get started with my announcement that I'm super excited about. But the first thing that I want to say is if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and push the notification bell so you can be updated each and every time I upload a brand new video. All right, so this video, I do not intend for it to be long. And I know every time I say that, it goes to like 15 minutes, but I don't intend this video to be long because I just simply want to make a major announcement. It is official. As of December 1st, Yoni Love Herbals has released our brand new Optimal by Yoni Love Herbals 28-day healing systems. Now, I know there's going to be a bunch of people just trying to figure out, well, why is this so important? Why can't I just buy this stuff individually? I mean, you could continue to do that. But the thing that prompted me to start to make these 28-day healing systems is because I've been getting a lot of ladies in my emails and DMing me asking me, how did I go about healing the different ailments that I had? Fibroids and cysts, chronic yeast infections at one time, infertility because I was suffering with PCOS. And I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Basically, my 7 specialty Yoni semen blends are a result of the different ailments that I have suffered with. And then of course the menopause one was me helping the women in my community to actually be able to heal. But the reason why this is major news is because as of now, you will be able to get everything that you need for the whole 28 days. So for an entire month, you will be able to get everything in one package. And these kits come with a lot of stuff. And so I'm going to go through everything that comes into the kit. There are 2 that we have released, the yeast and BV one, and then a fibroid and cyst one. And also we will be releasing more, but as of right now, those are the only 2 that we have. The reason why it's really beneficial to get the box as a whole is because there's literally something that you do every week for the whole 4 weeks of the Yoni steaming / womb healing process, depending on the ailment that you are trying to deal with. Okay, so let me get into it. So the first thing is that you have week number 1. And like I said, we released 2 of them. So I'm just going to go through everything that comes in the box really quickly and show you the cute little mailbox that we have, or the box that everything will be mailed in so that you'll know what comes in it. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is our first week's release. And I don't know if the camera is going to focus in on this. Let me hide myself so maybe it'll focus in. Okay, no, it's not working. But anyway, the first week is our release tea. And the release tea helps to remove toxins from the blood, healthy liver support, cleanses waste and parasites from the colon, relieves constipation, and helps and assists in healthy weight loss. It is 21 servings of cleansing tea inside of this container. And so you're going to take the whole entire container, boil it into a pot of water, which all the instructions come into your kit, but boil it in a pot of water, turn it into a pitcher of tea, and literally drink this tea every single day for the first week. Okay. The second one that we have is, and I gotta go through all the stuff that I got on my desk. The second one that we have is our rebalancing fibroid and cyst tea. Okay, and this tea helps to balance hormones, removes mucus and tissue buildup in the womb, reduces menstrual cramping, prepares the womb for conception, and removes toxins that enable fibroid growth. Now, if you are not looking to get pregnant, that is okay. It's not like this tea is going to make you get pregnant. It doesn't have some magic herb in there to make you get pregnant. But a lot of the women who do come to me for fibroid and cyst healing are dealing with infertility in some kind of way. So the reason why I created these teas is to be like a one-stop shebang. You get everything that you need for your dollar at one time. Okay. And it's like meant to be an atomic bomb, literally, that like decimates everything that has been in your body that has been preventing you from reaching optimal health and helping you to restore your health. Okay, so that's the tea that's over the second week. And then the third week is our restore tea. And y'all gotta excuse me because Rakaya just keeps on insisting on creeping through my floor while I'm trying to do this video. But anyway, so the restore tea actually helps to cleanse uterine walls, increase blood flow and energy to the womb, aids in achieving normal menstrual flow, and replenishes nutrients to the blood and the organs. Okay, and this is week number 3, our restore tea. Now, inside of the kit, you also get our new version of the fibroid and cyst shrinking optimal by Yoni Love Herbals Yoni steaming blend. As you know, this is our medium, so you get 4 to 5 steams out of this package. Full instructions on the back and all of the ingredients. You also will get our brand new, and we just released it. So if y'all have not gotten it, and if you're on TikTok, then I'm sure you already know, but there's a lot of hype about black castor oil. Black Jamaican castor oil, and Yoni Love Herbals now officially carries it as of Black Friday. So if you have not already, make sure you go look at that. But the black Jamaican castor oil will also be inside of your kit, the womb massage oil. And if you are not aware of how to do your womb massage, please go and look at some of the previous videos that I have released that talks about womb massage and wombversation and your healing process. And then you also get a pack of 63 capsules for the fibroids and cysts, okay? And this particular capsule, you are going to take 3 of them for 7 days in a row the first week, okay? And this is going to be able to stretch out over the whole week and then give you some for the following week as well. But this is the release. And so these capsules actually help to aid in the shrinkage of uterine fibroids, cysts, and other fibrous growths in and surrounding the womb while cleansing the colon. So what you're going to do is you're going to combine this fibroid release capsule with the fibroid releasing tea, because this is working on toxins in the blood in the body, and this is helping to also help in reducing the size of fibroids, but it's also going to release the colon. And a really important part, and I don't think people really pay attention to this enough, but a really important part of healing is to wipe out the colon. Like, our colon is our immune system, and it is also where all of our dis-ease and our ailments start. So if you have a dirty colon, then you're going to continue to have the same issues because you're not allowing the nutrients in your food and the herbs that you're having to be absorbed into the body. So when I created this 28-day healing system, I literally thought about the aspects of healing that I went through on a continual basis in order to reach the place where I am now, where I don't have fibroids and cysts, I don't have any PCOS issues, I don't have the hard, heavy clotting and bleeding that I used to have back in the day, I don't have infertility issues. I have Rakaya, who was just creeping through my video. Like, these things I have dealt with, and so I created this system to be able to try to help those sisters who are also trying to reach the place that I have reached. And then the last thing that I want to show you is that you will get a bar of soap, because I don't think people really know or really pay this much attention to it either, but the things that you use on your body, okay? The soap that you use, the hair dyes, relaxers, shampoos, conditioners, the lotions that you use on your body, the toothpaste that you are brushing with, all of those things contribute to our state of either optimal health or horrible health. So when I created this healing system, I literally was like, okay, what is everything that a person that is trying to achieve the health, just like I did, like, what are all the steps that I took? The first step that I took was cleaning my colon on a consistent basis. Another thing that I did a lot was fast. Okay, I fasted a lot throughout my healing journey. Sometimes for 3 days, sometimes for 5 days, sometimes for 10 days. And we can get into videos with that more if you guys are interested in it. I'm not going to get into that right now, but I can always touch on it later. Another thing that I did was be very intentional throughout my whole healing process. So instead of me talking to others or to even myself, negative self-chatter about like I'm sick or, you know, I don't feel well, I always am speaking life into my body and into the universe and into the area around me and into the people that are around me. So I speak life and I speak healing into my body. I meditate on a continual basis, and I use crystals along with it. So that's why, if you are not already familiar with the Yoni Love Herbals mystery collection, that collection literally came from the things that I used to do. I use crystals in my Yoni steaming journey. So when people ask me like, Hadida, what did you do? These are the things that I did, and I followed it religiously. I don't think that people have enough consistency when they're interested in healing. They don't have enough consistency to get healed. They want to do it for a short period of time and then they stop. And then they do it for another short period of time and then they stop. But if you really want to reach a place of optimal health, you got to change the food that you're eating. Okay, stop eating foods that are processed and that are heavy in toxins. And we can get into that in another video. You need to cleanse your colon on a regular basis. In the beginning, you may want to fast in order to assist the body in cleansing. I also Yoni steamed religiously, which is why you have your Yoni steam inside of your package. I also did the teas. All of these teas are different blends, and each blend goes to a different week, okay? And I also use capsules. So literally you get everything that you need along with the soap, because half the sisters who are coming to me about, you know, fibroids and cysts, yeast and BV, all of those things, they're using bullshit, excuse my French, bullshit products on the market that have a lot of chemicals in them. And so the whole reason why, and I don't know if you guys, you know, have watched my previous videos, but the whole reason why I got with the healing community and the wellness shopping club that I got into and introduced to the community was because I'm trying to help people get everything that they need in order to be able to live a life of optimal health. Everybody want to reach out to me about like, oh, Hadida, how I started Yoni Steaming business, how I get my money up, how do I work with you, you can't do none of that with me if you don't have optimal health. Like, you don't have health, then you can't get wealth. You want to spend all your time trying to feel better, and all of that time that you're trying to feel better is taken away from the energy that you have to get this paper. So in 2024, it's about leveling up and living in optimal health, living in abundant wealth, living like in prosper, like living our best lives. That's what 2024 is all about for me. And so that's everything that you get in a fibroid and cyst one. And I think I said it, but I'll show it again. You do also get, upside down. You do also get a notebook, and the notebook will vary depending on the package because not all of them are the same, but you will get a notebook because journaling is really, really important on your healing journey. You want to keep an account of what you felt day to day. You want to keep an account of what you experience. You want to keep an account of how you feel. Like, do you notice a difference in your cycles from month to month? You want to keep an account of all of that, okay? And also just be making sure that you are connecting with your body and your energy to make sure that you're staying in a positive mindset, and also that you are being aware of the energy shifts and changes that you have, and utilize meditation as needed, okay? And then the other one that I have, and let me move all the fibroid and cyst stuff out the way so I don't get these confused. Sorry, y'all. And I'm not doing a lot of editing to this video, so y'all gonna be getting it raw because I'm literally like kicking out a bunch of stuff because it's the holiday season. All right, anyway, so the second one that you're gonna get is that we have available is the yeast and BV. Okay, and the yeast and BV comes with a release tea also for the first week, and also with the capsules. But the release tea helps to remove toxins from the blood, healthy liver support, relieves constipation, healthy weight loss, cleanses waste and parasite from the colon, reduces candida albicans in the blood. 21 servings of tea as well in this container. And then, as I said, you will do the tea and the capsules at the same time. This is going to help to remove the waste from your colon while you are removing the toxins from your blood, okay? And so they work together. The capsules help, and it's called the release, aids in stunting the growth of candida albicans in the gastrointestinal tract while cleaning the colon, helps to relieve vaginal itching and discomfort. So this is our 63 capsule supply here. Okay. The second thing that we have is our rebalance tea. And the rebalance tea that's inside this package, and damn, I'm still hitting 15 minutes, but it's just so much that I be wanting to tell y'all, so just bear with me. I'm sorry, but I'm going to end this quickly. And so the second week is rebalance, and that reduces thrush, increased immune system function, prohibits the growth of candida in the blood, removes mucus and tissue buildup in the blood, in the womb, and inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria. Okay. And so this is our second week of tea. And then the third week of tea is restore. Okay. And the restore tea really restores healthy gut bacteria, increases blood flow and energy to the womb, aids in achieving normal menstrual flow, replenishes nutrients to the blood and the organs, and helps to increase vaginal moisture if needed. Now, it's not going to give you the whop so much that you're being counterproductive to trying to get rid of yeast. But a lot of times with yeast infections, there is a drying out of the vaginal canal due to thrush and candida albicans taking it over. So it helps to restore that balance. Once you have done the cleansing system, it helps to restore the balance inside the vaginal canal and take you to a normal, healthy level of vaginal moisture. You will also get a soap. You will also get our 4 to 5 steam medium pack of Yoni steaming blend. You will also get your journal as well. And I think I covered everything. So if you and of course your black castor oil, wool massage oil. If you are interested in purchasing the 28-day healing systems, or you have any questions, please reach out to me. Tell me below what other healing systems you guys may be interested in. Let me know what other ways I can help you to heal. We do have an infertility one that is going to be coming soon. And we also have a mass shrinkage. So I get a lot of clients that are dealing with like cancer and trying to shrink down masses throughout the body for whatever various amounts of reasons. And so I am developing one for them as well that takes them through a 28-day healing system and kind of restores the body, because when you go through chemo and things like that, it just zaps you of all your energy. And then the last one that was on the top of my mind to create was one for endometriosis. So not necessarily last, but that's the last one that I'm mentioning right now. These 28-day healing systems will range between $75 and $125, but right now all of them will be $75 as of December 1st, and you can find that deal from December 1st to December 15th. You can get the 28-day healing system for only $75 as our introductory price. After that, it probably most likely will be going up, and this is a monthly subscription, so you could choose to get it once. If you choose to get it once, it is a little bit more than if you do the monthly subscription. If you do the monthly subscription, it's $10 less. So if you do it one time, you're going to pay $85 for the whole box. Oh, and I said I was going to show y'all what the box is like. Isn't this cute? And it's a special delivery in the inside. So if you decide to do the 28-day healing system and you only want to buy one of them, that's fine. You're going to pay $10 more. But if you join a subscription, you're going to get it $75 every single month mailed out to you at the first of the month. And so it's part of the healing journey because it takes consistency. At least for the first 90 to 120 days, you want to be consistent. Okay, consistency, y'all, consistency. Like, you have to stick to your healing program and your healing regimen for at least 3 to 4 months for you to see any improvement for real in your health, especially when you're dealing with fibroids and cysts, endometriosis, PCOS, infertility, any of those like really annoying and overwhelming ailments. So I tried to get off of here early, but clearly it didn't happen. I love you guys. Thank you for continuing to be a support to me and to my community. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them down in the description box below. We do have a whole host of holiday deals that are available right now. It is not Black Friday anymore, but every single day for this next entire week, we are doing 50% off on every particular collection that we choose for that day. So right now, all Yoni steams are 50% off on the site, and that is major because y'all know that we don't ever do that kind of drastic discount. So if you want to try out Yoni steaming or you have not gotten a chance, make sure you go do that. All right. Oh, and one more thing, if you haven't already, push the notification bell because I don't know what the hell you're waiting for. All right. Peace. Until next time.